sent me an invoice for $900 for 3 months.
Uh,
I didn't know what was that for.
okay, it was for 3 month, and you choose standard plan, which is $300 per month. As I said, we when we start SEO, we prefer to do at least minimum 3 month payment, because we found when client usually see.
Yeah, but remember we said we wanted to do it for 6 months because, and then you sent me another invoice for, I guess it's 7 months, 1 month free for $1,800.
Correct. So here, if you do for 6 month, I already give you a 1 month discount, which is for $300. Like for 7 month,
Okay.
it charges 2,100, but I will do it at $1,800 for you guys.
Okay.
So you got.
So then we don't have to worry about that $300 invoice that you sent us first.
Correct.
That has okay. Is that payment for both of the websites, or is that just for Miriam's website?
Just for the first website, which is cleaning website, as I.
Okay, yeah, no, that's fine. That's what I figured.
Mhm.
Event here pretty soon. I'm probably gonna do the basic one for my website.
Okay, for
Okay.
Vector.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So that way we can get both of them rolling and everything. But I don't want it as advanced as Miriam's website. I want it less, the lesser one, the basic.
Yeah, yeah, you can just start getting the taste of it. Then you will,
Yes.
yeah, move
Yeah.
ahead. Uh-huh.
Because Miriam's website is already big. It already has a lot of movement on it,
Yeah, I
anyways.
saw she
So
has already a lot of reviews on Google, but she is now missing the local SEO. So
yeah.
definitely she's losing a lot of customers.
Now, let me ask you a question on that. I get tons of calls every day that they want to update my Google profile and Google this and Google that. Will you update all that information if we go with you?
Yeah, those all are included on the packages. Like anything
Okay,
that
those are
needs to be done to get your website rank on Google search is included there.
okay. And Miriam wants to know, is that including the Facebook, Instagram, things like that? Or is that first we deal with the website and then once it gets going, then it adds up to
Uh,
the
so
Facebook and
so
all that?
it's different thing, which is social media. What we do, like to manage your social media, it's a different thing. But what we do, we connect your social media with the website. Like you have Facebook profile, I mean Facebook page, you have Instagram profile, and maybe some other platform profiles. Those profile will be connect through your website. So if someone wants to see your profiles on social media, they can just click on the social media
Oh, okay,
icon,
okay, I
then
see.
they will be redirected to there. But
So it's
posting.
not running the social medias, it's just linking them to the website.
Correct. We are not going to post on your social medias. We are not going to create any content for your social media. It's a different thing. We also offer this, but it's a different thing.
Do you hear that, Miriam?
Yes.
Okay, do you want them to quote that out for the social media also for you?
Okay, so I'm sorry. Can he said again about what does that mean for the social media? So it's something different, or what are he talking about?
Yeah, he said that for what he quoted out right now, all he's gonna do is link all your social medias to the website in order so they could get more views and things like that when they're posting on the social they're posting on the website. But if you want them to run your social media, then that's a different. What do you charge for running the social medias?
One thing I want to also mention, you can do it as well. It's very easy, which is when we do local SEO for your website, we create some blog post for your website, and those blog posts will be published under your blog post. I mean, if someone wants to read blog, they can read those blog through your website. Also, since you have a lot of already you have a lot of pages, and I'm going to create a blog section as well to put to publish blog post. Just for you guys, what I can do, whenever I publish a blog post, I can just share those blog posts on your social media. This is what I can do. it's like a complimentary work that I can do for you guys. But when it's something
Okay.
like I have to create a reel, I have to create a text content, or I have to create an image that you want to post on your social media, that things is not included on the SEO service. Does it make sense?
Yeah, yeah. So you're just gonna do a blog post and then link them to all the social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and things like that.
Yes,
But
correct.
you're not doing reels or anything else like videos for to put on the social medias, right?
That's correct. Exactly.
Okay. Do you understand that, Miriam?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for instance, if she wanted you to run the social medias, do you offer that?
Yeah, I offer that. Personally, I don't do this. I have a team member who, I'm not a video editor, right? So
Yeah.
I have a team member who manages social media. I have to talk with him, and then I can send you a quote, you know.
Yeah, do that, but just for Miriam's website, not so much for mine.
Okay, no problem. We can do it. I'll send you.
Uh, I had another question. Hold on.
Mhm.
Hold on. Same one.
¿No quiere mejor que me lleve la bola? Y es que lo más
The
pesado es que
website
está pesado.
maintenance.
Y me
That's
llevo la
gonna
bola en la mano.
be that's gonna be for both websites, correct?
You are talking with me?
Yes. Yeah, where the invoice where it says website
Que me lleve.
maintenance annual.
Yeah, exactly. That price is which is $500 is for both website for a year.
Okay. And that's 6 new page creations if we want them,
Yep.
correct?
Yep.
Okay. All right. And then,
But I thought you said, you hear me?
yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you were saying that we were gonna go or the price that he's saying it was for the medium service because you told me it was
Yeah, that's $1,800.
a month
That's the medium. No, that's the for 6 months.
That
for
was
six
for the
months for
SEO.
just
That
for
was for the SEO, and the other thing is website maintenance.
Yeah, website maintenance is the $500. That's for the entire year for both websites.
Yeah, that's correct.
The $1,800 is just for your website for 6 months for all the SEO and things that they have to create and backlogs and whatever else they have.
just for mine.
Just for yours. Yeah, I'm not doing mine just yet. Mine,
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna do the lesser one, the $900 one, but I'll probably start it next week or something.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
And then the
And then
other,
for so for example, like let's say if I wanted to like so I know we already have a WhatsApp chat, but I'm saying like if I want to add like a pictures or like a kind of video, like a special things on the website, I can just send it to the WhatsApp and you will add it on the website.
Yeah, that's correct. I'll do it. Since I already offer you
Okay.
guys content updates, so it's included on the content update section. Yeah, this will be done. Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Okay, that'll work. And then what about the reviews? The reviews, I know the ones we have right now on the website, it's just like a running, but they're like a 3 or 5 reviews. They've been
Yeah,
there for like,
he already told us that. He said that's Google, that it's only gonna let you do the top 5 or whatever. And then the rest, he put a link for them to go look at it, but through a link.
okay, but is there any way, like, since you're gonna be keep maintenance the website, is there any way you can at least like change them for like, maybe like every 2 weeks or once a month, or I don't know how that works, instead of seeing the same reviews for over a year?
Yeah, if you want that, definitely I can do it.
Okay. Okay.
All right. On these invoices, when we pay you, it's gonna be through a wire transfer. I think they would charge us for each wire transfer. Can we do it all the same, or I don't know if they charge us. I've never done the wire transfer.
When it's bank to bank, I don't think it will charge you any extra.
Okay. All right. I'll look into that today.
Yeah, since
And then
I am going to give you a account which is from my USA account. So
Yeah.
if you transfer to it, it will not charge you any extra.
Okay. Okay.
But again,
All right.
just again for clarification, if it does, then we could do 50-50
Okay. All right. For the
charge.
fees, whatever they charge. Yeah.
That's correct.
Okay. Well, I'll find out today, and then we can get going with that. If it doesn't charge me any fees or anything, that each of the invoices I'll do separately and put the invoice number and everything. That way, you know what the payment's for. If it does charge me, I'll try to do just one transaction and then do all the invoices together.
Okay. And again, I already asked you to send me your email address where I can send you the invoice. So we have record on it.
Oh, I thought I already did send it. I'll send it to you right now then.
Yes, please send the email address so I can send you all the invoices on your email as well as the bank details.
Because I think you already sent us the bank information on that group